The Globe at Home LTE Advanced Prepaid Wi-Fi has been available for months, but there's still no admin access, which would have been helpful to change bands or install antennas to hopefully improve our internet speeds. I even saw a tutorial on setting the antenna to external, but it would always fail to save and would only work on the postpaid version of the modem. But based on the comments on my previous videos, it seems like outdoor antennas are automatically detected by the Globe at Home LTE Advanced Prepaid Wi-Fi, and in this video we will try a Hybrid MIMO antenna that I got from Shopee. Plugging in the MIMO antenna at the two SMA ports of the modem, the login page of the Globe at Home LTE Advanced modem would show the antenna status quickly change from internal to external. You would also see the signal strength indicator on the modem become full bars. Now that we know that the Hybrid MIMO antenna is detected, let's now look if it would help boost my internet speed. But first, just a disclaimer, I'm not an expert on antennas, but what I suggest is you bring your phone when installing the antenna to see which direction to best position the antenna. Here's a table of what constitutes a good signal. Moving the antenna to face different directions would result in varying signal strengths, and the modem would connect to different cell towers depending on your location. Compared to using the internal antenna, my download speed improved significantly from 1 Mbps to 15 Mbps using the same cell tower. Connecting to other towers by moving the hybrid antenna also improved my speed, so it would be best to do a 360-degree test to check which direction the antenna should face to get the fastest speed, as the best signal might not always be the fastest due to network congestion. So that concludes our test of the Hybrid MIMO antenna on our Globe at Home LTE Advanced Prepaid Wi-Fi. Of course, this would also work with the postpaid version of the B535 modem. Plus, you would also have the option to select bands that's best in your area, but please do take note that this antenna would not work well on band 28. So with that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, The Misadventures of Ronnie G. Thank you for watching and stay safe.